Hi traders, today is 2nd of September 2019. We are now live for day trading crude oil market. October 2019 contract CLV. So in this video, I will show you how I do the day trading. At this moment, we are in the London session. London session just opened a few minutes ago, about 3 minutes. So we are in the market, and today is a holiday in US session. In US Labor Day. So in this video, I show you how I day trading crude oil market WTI NYMEX, and this is a live broadcast. And also you may find in description below there's a link to my live broadcast signal from Telegram channel. This is a private group. There's also a free trial. Check it out for 5 days. So no need to provide any payment method. Just go through and get in and join this live trade. So this is the signal I just sent out recently, a few minutes ago, about 30 minutes ago. So there's a buy signal entry at 55.23. Target is 55.61. So let's hope this will bring a good entry for today. And let's take a look on the volume. So this is the beginning of London session. So there's no spike of volume as indicate because still too early. Normally for US session we can see much more clearing. At this moment still not yet feel our entry point, which is this nearest breakout area at 55.23, and I expect it to exit at 55.61. This might take a few hours, maybe 2 hours to complete. So let's have patience and please watch this video till the end so you can see how I make money online for WTI crude oil market. This is a futures commodity under NYMEX. Okay guys, I pause this video and we resume once the order got filled, because this is London session. It is not a quick and easy trade compared to US session. It takes maybe a few hours to complete. It's quite normal, but still profitable, quite good, because the TP is much more compared to US session. For US session, the time interval for us to go into the market is very quick, and it can be assumed as easy money. Okay, we will resume back later. Alright traders, it has been 3 hours from the first analysis. Still not yet trigger at this moment. Still waiting for the breakout for the price to go on a further high. So still not in the market yet so far. Still queuing at the same price level at 55.23 and 55.21. So once the price reach this price levels, and we expect it for the bullish movement to the upside. So maybe it's quite nearing to the entry level after the big drop down just now, and expecting a breakout further on. Okay, looks good. So now the price at 55.06, which is about 12 ticks to go before it trigger and fill our entry point at stop limit order. Okay guys, the market looks strong at this moment for the full reversal, which was I'm expecting. Still waiting at the queue at the same price level at 55.21 and also 55.23. This is London session market signal, so you can take a look on my take a look on my live trading broadcast signal, which I given out 3 hours ago. This buy stop limit order at 55.23. So this is quite a valid signal so far. We will follow this signal and take a profit around 40 ticks or $400 in profit. Okay guys, now we are entering US session. You can see here that the market dropped quite a lot. It was unexpected during the opening of a US session for New York time 8 a.m. in the morning, but we wait for my US session signal will appear at 9 a.m. uh, New York time, local time. But still, from London session, we have a valid entry to buy at 55.23, 55.21, and I'm waiting for the market to go on further high. At this moment, we still waiting for the market to break through. Now we are creating a triple high. This is the nearest one, but still the signal appeared at this area, 51, 53, 55.23 and 55.21. So far there's no spike on the volume, so based on the hidden volume technique, the market will go for the upper side movement once penetrate this kind of price level. So I have to be aware, market might reverse back, so let's wait and see. Okay, the next candle now looks green. There's looks like a big drop during US session. I'm expecting for the market to go for the high. So this is a TP, the first TP, and the second TP is somewhere at 52 or 61 based from my live signal, which is 55.61 is the TP. So I will also exit at the 55.61. So let's wait. It's gonna take a few more minutes. Maybe in 30 minutes we can see a fill in order. Okay guys, we are entering US session 9 a.m. New York time. Still our entry not yet trigger, which is at 55.23. This at this level, market move in a sideways movement since 8 a.m. New York time, and now 9 a.m. you are searching for a scalping position. This is my London session signal. Still waiting for it to trigger. Still valid at this moment. Okay guys, we in the market at 55.23. Market did spike just now, and we're expecting for it to go for the high, and I'm expecting for the stop loss should be around 23 ticks or at 94, somewhere here. Around a second. Okay, let's hope the price move towards our TP area. Big spike to the downside once we enter the market just now at 55.23. So now we are losing 320 US dollar. It was a lost trade today. I think that's all for today. Maybe because of the volume is not much due to the labor day in US, so there's been holiday there, so not much trade inside the market. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.